Question 25. I want to show how fast I ran during yesterday's run with friends. Which type of chart or graph is best to show this? Now, the correct answer is basically that we're going to use a line graph. Line graphs are the best sorts of things to show how things change with time. So if you're in a run with friends, obviously that might be taking half an hour or an hour. So and you could plot time across the bottom on the x-axis. So you could go up in 5 minutes. You could have 0 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Go up in sensible intervals, like every 5 minutes. So 25, 30, 35 minutes. Obviously, and that would be time in minutes. Obviously, you could go longer and draw more, make the x-axis longer if you needed to. But then up the side would be, it's asking about how fast. So up the side, we'd have to have our speed. So you could have in kilometers per hour or miles per hour. So you could even go up in half. So you could have half a mile per hour, 1 mile per hour, 1.5, 1.5, 2 miles per hour, 2.5 miles per hour, 3 miles per hour, 3.5 miles per hour. And then again, you could keep going to 4 miles per hour. So up the side would be speed in miles per hour. Now, obviously, your speed throughout the race is probably going to change. You probably go quite fast to begin with, and then as the race or the run gets longer, you get more tired. So you could start off at a nice steady pace. So 5 minutes in, you could be going at 1 mile an hour. You might have upped your pace slightly to 1.5 miles an hour. 15 minutes in, you might be fully warmed up by now, so you might be running at 3 miles per hour. 20 minutes in, you might still be going at 3 miles per hour, but then the second half of the run, you might be getting a bit tired, so you start to slow down. 25 minutes, 2.5 miles an hour. 30 minutes, 1.5 miles an hour. And in 35 minutes, you might be absolutely shattered, slowing it right down to only half a mile an hour. And to cut a long story short, you would then join all of these points up, and this creates what is called a line graph. So I would say the best type of chart graph to show this is a line graph.